Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the recent global IT outrage caused by a faulty update from cybersecurity company CrowdStrike. This event impacted millions of users worldwide, including right here in India. Let's break down what happened and why it is important, and how things were resolved. A software update from CrowdStrike triggered a domino effect. This update caused malfunctioning in critical systems used by major cloud computing providers like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. These disruptions affected various online services. Many businesses and individuals rely on cloud software for tasks like email, document editing, and project management. These services faced disruptions during the outrage. Websites hosted on cloud platforms might have experienced slow loading time. Communication platforms like video conferencing and messaging apps could have been impacted. While the outrage affected users globally, India, with its growing digital economy, also felt the pinch. Here's how. Businesses that rely heavily on cloud services face downtime, leading to potential productivity losses. Individuals working remotely who depend on cloud-based tools might have encountered difficulties during the outage. Online retails and e-commerce platforms could have experienced slowdown, impacting sales and customer experiences. CrowdStrike acknowledged this issue promptly and quickly issued a fix for the faulty update. System administration around the world worked diligently to restore affected services. Recovery took some time, but eventually most online operations were back to normal. This incident highlights the crucial role of cybersecurity in today's digital world. While CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity company itself, the event demonstrates that even security measures can have unintended consequences. Businesses and individuals alike must prioritize robust cybersecurity practices to minimize the impact of such disruptions. Here are some conflicting reports regarding China's experiences with the CrowdStrike outage. While the global impact was significant, some sources suggest China might have been less affected. According to Chinese state media outlet CGTN, major airlines and Beijing airport claimed no disruption to their operations. This suggests they might be using alternative systems, less reliable on the affected cloud services. China has been pushing for a more self-reliant IT infrastructure, potentially reducing its dependence on specific cloud providers impacted by the outage. Chinese companies might utilize domestic cloud services providers or alternative technologies less affected by the CrowdStrike update. It is challenging to verify the extent of China's impact due to limited access to independent information sources. While major airlines and airports might have reported normalcy, other sectors relied on cloud services could have been affected. The CrowdStrike incident served as a wake-up call for the importance of reliable and resilient IT infrastructure. It also emphasizes the need for continuous vigilance and improvement in cybersecurity practices. Remember, staying informed and taking precautions can help you navigate such challenges in the future. In the comment below, let's discuss how this outage impacts you and your thoughts on cybersecurity awareness. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.